We don't know yet. Okay. We're waiting for Joe for details. Frank, you're amazing too, you know. Alright. As good as your ground guy. Exactly. Hey, you know, climbers only as good as his ground guy.
Oh, that was good.
Fine, you got no holes in your sock? In your ankle yet? Oh, I got little holes. Easy. That was easy. No! No! This is sick. I'm so glad I don't climb these on my own anymore. Gee whiz. This is nice. Works to come. Yeah! What's up? Oh.
Who are you guys and what do you do?
We're fielding tree care.
Fielding.
We're certified, insured arborists with 13 years experience plus. This is Skylar Prinz right here.
Hi. Hi.
He's head climber. This is Frank C. Varga Jr. He's the branch manager. Yeah. Best ground guy on earth right there.
Yeah?
Doesn't get any better than that.
You guys keep it clean while you work. That's
Keep
pretty
it clean,
cool.
Keep it safe, keep it efficient, keep everybody happy. Yeah, lows. That's the whole rule of three is the golden means theory, you know? When it comes to structure on trees, you try to keep all the stuff that's growing out of the bottom third down in the bottom third. The stuff that's coming out of the second third of the tree, keep that in the second part, and the very top stays in the very top part. So you have 1, 2, 3. Structurally, that's great for a tree. We'll tend to lose less branches in a snowstorm, windstorm. It'll have better growth form as it gets older. Silver maple's healthy too. She must fertilize it. Doesn't have a lot of rot, which is pretty indicative of these silver maples out here. So she's in good shape. Good winter water once every 3 weeks, soak the zone, and there you go.
Done and done.
Done, done, and done.